come true for you and me. So there's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day. There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, just a dream away.
Sarah's Ladies Club is responsible for our town's 4th of July celebration tonight. She's got us all roped into performing in their program.
And I decided we're going as George and Martha Washington, dear.
Oh, the father of our...
Boyfriend Theodore sees me in this, it'll scare him away.
Well, dear, if that happens, you'll always have that torch you can carry for him.
Oh, Father.
Calm down, Rover.
You do better.
Got better for the year change.
And when
technology.
it becomes a reality, it's a dream come true
Oh,
for
we
you
move.
and
Our
me.
chair
So
moving.
there's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day. There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, just a dream away.
Today, when millions of people will learn Latin and Greek sitting in front of their TV
Yeah,
sets.
that time.
Are you awake, dear? Give him a left, you big lug.
That's because I'm using my beautiful sister Patty's picture for a model.
Down, Rover.
Give it a try.
Oh, Patty, are you going to the Halloween party tonight?
Oh, yes. And
My
I'm
mother
hoping
gave
those
us
of you
peanut
are
butter
anxious
in
by
from
then,
France.
since I'm going with that dreamboat Wilfred.
Wilfred, what a...
That clever automatic paint stirring machine for you.
Yes, John, you're a genius. Of course, this will ruin my food mixer. Not that you'd care.
Tomorrow, and tomorrow's just a dream away.
Today.
Better. Oh, our chair moving.
That's the start.
He follows his dream with my heart.
And when it becomes a reality,
It's a dream come true for you and me.
so there's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Shining at the end of every day.
There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Take a look around, Grandma. You're in the ship.
Feels like I'm really there.
Okay, get ready. You're about to blast off.
Here goes nothing.
Tomorrow.